Welcome back to Brazen Brits. I'm Lawrence.
And I'm Natalie.
And today we're exploring a place that is only down the road from our winter home base. And it's the Weeki Wachee Springs State Park.
Yes. There's
Got it?
lots to see here. I'm very excited.
I've never been here before. Natalie literally said, get in the car, we're going out. And so I have no idea what's going on. I heard something like there's mermaids here or something. Anyway, let's roll the intro. We'll see you in there.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
It's very, it is small.
So natural in here. This is what I think I look like.
It's so pretty.
Is that a porpoise?
Is that a what?
That got in your pocket.
It's embarrassing because a bunch of people showed up just as we were doing that. Great.
So Natalie,
Yes.
we've just got here. We're obviously with the wags.
Mm-hmm.
We've messed about a bit,
Yes.
and we've decided to wait for a show.
Yes.
What is the show?
Mermaids.
Mermaids, real mermaids.
Real life mermaids.
But what we didn't know is there's a really cool park here.
And peacocks.
And peacocks. But there's
Mainly
a water park.
peacocks.
There is a water park.
There is a huge water park here, yes. With the flume and
it's in the spring. It's not like a swimming pool.
yeah.
So that's cool.
There's just a lot more here than I thought. It's very interesting. I mean, it cost us $120 to come here, so we should make the most.
No, clarify. Clarify for the people watching.
My park pass expired, so we had to renew it.
Yes.
But yes, it's otherwise it would cost you $13 for adults and like $6 for kids or something, I think. So
Right, we're going to go look around before we do the show.
let's go see some more peacocks. Is that thing here where you're like, Natalie, stop walking in slow motion when I'm videoing you? Is it in slow-mo? Because then it's like double slow.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Did the mermaid show.
Yes.
It was very good.
It was actually. It's very impressive. I don't
It
think
is.
people realise how much strength and all the breathing stuff has to go into that.
The whole time I was trying to figure out how they stay buoyant.
Yeah, me too.
Because
Like,
they
didn't
do-
have weights in their tails.
They must have. They didn't
or-
have weight belts
Yeah.
on or anything. I know you're meant to be paying attention to the story, but that's all I could think about. So yeah, that was fun, but it was very cool.
Yes. And now Dustin's very upset
Why?
because we ran down to have the river boat tour and it was closed.
There is a free riverboat. Well, it's not free, it's included in the price, but we missed the last one in true Brazen Brits fashion.
I think we're in trouble.
Dustin's a little bit upset.
I think they wanted to come earlier. I promise we'd take them back at some point.
That's true. We will come back, that's for sure. And the other thing, we're now on a wildlife trail,
Yes. Which
which
is
looks,
okay.
it's nice. The problem is that everyone rushed out of the show, the mermaid show, and everyone's now on the trail, so it's more like we're following people.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's weird. All right, let's go check out this trail. There is a ranger experience too that we might be going through up here, so let's see what that is. But apart from that, we'll see you at the other side. Of the trail, not of life, like
We'll see you on
in
the
heaven
other
or
side.
anything. No, we're not. So that was the shortest trail I've ever been on.
It definitely was. I didn't even think that was 0.3 of a mile. I did Strava it. No one's going to know I was here.
So yeah, the trail is nice, but don't bother.
No.
And there's a theatre at the end.
There
but
is
it's
like
closed.
a wildlife exhibit thing, but it's not open right now because everything's.
So one thing I found interesting was that Mermaid show has been going on for 75 years.
Yeah, that was impressive.
That is impressive. And the lady who started it, I don't know if she started it or not,
just
they
one
do a
of
little
them.
presentation. 75 years. They've had that viewing area there for 75 years.
A little bit worrying, to be honest.
It is a bit worrying. The glass was clean though, but that was really cool.
It was, yeah.
It's got an amazing history. They play a little video before the actual show.
And I think the old school stuff looked better because they had like manatees and stuff.
They
in
did,
there.
yeah.
Like, I guess they keep all that stuff out now, which is disappointing. There was fish in there.
There was fish,
but,
turtles and stuff.
yeah, true. No manatees today.
Definitely worth coming just for the Mermaid show.
Agree. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, not the trail. So this car here is pretty cool. He said it's a historical artifact. Got something to do with Elvis. Couldn't hear him very well, but yeah, Elvis has been here, by the way. He's in the video too. But we're not allowed in the car. Dustin's very upset, so we're going to try and get a picture so it looks like he's sat in it.
Leslie, you do that far too well.
That was. She's been stood here.
She's been practicing for this moment.
Oh my god, these look hilarious.
No, yours came out really well.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, you would look great as a female.
Dustin, this is a mermaid.
Yeah.
Question is, if Leslie had to become a mermaid, which would be cool, like you could go like deep sea, like swimming and stuff.
Yeah, that'd be.
But would it be the top fish and the bottom normal with legs, or would it be the bottom fish and the top normal? You don't have to explain your reasons, but I'm just interested.
Oh man, there's good stuff on both ends. But
Pick one.
I think this is better.
Okay, so the fishy bit at the
I
bottom.
don't think I would like the fish head
No.
with the gills and all.
There are some pretty fish, but no, depends. Okay, so you would have the fish legs.
Yeah.
All right, I would agree. Put in the comments if you'd prefer the fish top, normal bottom, or fish bottom, normal top.
Yeah. I have all the reasons why going on in my head.
Yeah, we're not going to go into detail.
No.
All right, so that finishes our time at Weeki Wachee Mermaid State Park show. Honestly, the reason to come here is for the Mermaid show. Like, it's really cool. There's a little trail. There's another show down there that was closed. I expect the boat thing is going to be really cool, but we'll have to come back another day. For now, I'm joining the mermaids. So we're going to put a video up here that we think you will enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits, hit the join button. We will see you next week.